Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to see how to boot the Xiaomi mobile into Fastboot mode. So Fastboot mode, if you want to perform on your Xiaomi mobile, then initially if your phone is switched on, you have to make it switched off. So I'm going to do this one, power off initially. After shutting down your phone, see, let you know what exactly you have to do the Xiaomi phone into Fastboot mode. Once you have switched on your phone, switched off your phone, then to get into Fastboot mode, to do the boot of Xiaomi mobile, initially you have to take this power button along with this volume down button. If you observe, this is my volume down button, this is power button. Simultaneously holding both these buttons, you can just press this for several seconds so that it gets into Fastboot mode. Let's try. I'm just trying to do that one. I just pressed it. Right after certain seconds, it has just entered into Fastboot mode. So it will continue for several seconds on some of the Xiaomi phones, or it may even continue for several minutes in some Xiaomi phones. So you have to wait patiently for that one.